3-seater sofa, which actually hello and welcome to another video. If you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, click the notification bell and like this video because it helps the algorithm, it helps my channel grow. Now I like to do how-to and helpful videos. Now this video is going to show you how to build a GRONLID 3-seater sofa or 2-seater sofa. We've already done one there and my arse is buggered it already probably, but now I'm going to show you how to do a 3-seater and what comes with the sofas. Basically you have the bottom, these screws came with this one. You get all these are the pillows at the back here, but they're all flat packed, and you get all the cushions in this. Tells you on it if it's a 3-seater via that there. Yep. And you get the 2 side cushions. But what it doesn't tell you is that before you assemble it, you have to put all the covers on everything. The covers there are for these, and these covers there are for that, and these. And you don't even need a tool, it's all hand done. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to build it right in front of you here, show you different stages so you know exactly how it's got to be done. So let's do this. So as you can see, I've put the cover onto this. You have to slide it down over it. Slide it down like this. So the back is covered. The front is that side and that side doesn't matter. Those are velcroed onto those. You have to slide them all the way down like that. So it's effectively like that is the back cover. Then you've got to put the covers onto these. These are the 2 armrests, and you get these holes here. And then all you do with this is you have another cover, just a slither, just to cover the front here, just a slither here. That's all it is, and it velcros around there. So what you do is you get some screws, as I said, like this. Make sure they go in the small end, not the big end. The small end goes in there like that. You screw it up like that, so they're all in nicely. And then once this is on, as you can see, this has holes there, and down there. You place that gently onto these 4 screws, and use these to basically effectively tighten it together. So effectively you screw them on like that. You slide this whole mechanism here, slide it onto the holes, and then you just screw it up by twisting these like that, and if you want to release them you undo them. So as you can see, you put the sides on, and it tells you in the booklet this is for that side. This is this description, but you just replicate it on this side. So because of these, you've got the hole there, you've got a hole there, and then it screws through the thing. So you have to put one here. You miss out this. You put one there. You miss out that, and you put one through that thing, and that goes through this piece of thing here, which then goes through there, and into there. But what they don't tell you on the instructions straight away, they tell you here about it, but they don't tell you which way it goes, because it's a weird thing. So you've got to put that on to there. I don't know why. I have no clue why. It tells you you've got to put the plastic thing on there, and then you put the washer on, the nut on, and then you use the tool, which is in there, to screw it up. And you got to do that on all 3, and then you replicate it on that side. So I'll do that. I'll replicate it on that. I'll do this. I'll put the replicator on that side now, and I'll put it down, sit it down, and then we'll put these all together and these all together. But I'm hoping that you're getting the gist of this basically. So effectively, you screw that to there, screw that and that to there after you put all the covers on, and then you pull it forward and you put all the cushions on, and it should be sick. So let's see how it looks once I've screwed the two sides together and I've dropped it down basically. Let's see. So once you've drilled all these in and you've put that there and that there, and there's one there as well, and obviously done the vice versa on those, bear in mind when you change these covers, which they are changeable covers, you have to undo all these 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10, you have to take these 10 screws out to be able to change the covers. So it is quite an ordeal to change the covers when you need to, but when they're done, they do look sick. So I'm going to put it back up now, show you what it looks like without the covers on, without all the cushions that are here, because these are all vacuum packed, sealed, and all them. I'll put the covers on. I'll show you how they look then with it. So let's pull it up and show you how it looks. So as you can see, it's a bloody long sofa. So once it's in, it's in. But so now I'm going to put these in, and like magic, and just like that, it's made. It took a while. Obviously, it took a while. And I've got to take a few things out to make room now. But another sofa done. And that is how you make the 3-seater, because it would say 2 next to it, GRONLID, if it was that one. So this one, that is how you make the GRONLID 3-seater sofa. So if you like this video and it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and enjoy your new sofa. And if you do get another sofa, let me know in the comments what colour you chose. If you chose this colour, being creamy white, well white, you chose red, green, what colour you actually chose. So thanks again for watching. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you soon for another hopefully constructive and helpful video. Bye bye.